They look beautiful. I'll start off. You are sitting alone at your favorite diner. You look up and catch the eyes of the most handsome man in the world. You start on the most promising romance of the year. Would you let him know about your true inner self? If yes, how and when? If no, why?
Hello everybody. I truly believe if you are going to approach someone for the first time, I think you have to be honest and open, and that's very important. So I like to give my inner self the way I feel and the way I like to put myself in that position, so it's not really fair if you do not give yourself to someone honestly.
Thank you, Miss Brazil, and good luck. I hope you do meet up with that handsome guy very shortly. How about a big hand from Miss Brazil? Miss American Samoa. Okay, your question is, if you were to be tattooed, that's a tattoo, how important is this honor to you as a young man? From Samoa? O le aso tau fi I le tatau, le taua o le tatau, po le pea fo'i I lo o tau I tupa.
Thank you very much for the question. I think the tattoo is very important for every young man in Samoa. That's called our youngest people in Samoa called young men. And in Samoa, o te roa, o le tatau, e sila na tāua le sosonga I meti, a wā mea whai a nuu, ma mea whai te tono a inga. Thank you.
O a whea lai whai ei le le tatau I a oe.
Se mo mo na whai sa tatau, o na whai ei le sa tatau.
Tomato o malu. Ela vai paling up to the malu. What Tano Falava, and thank you, Miss American Samoa. Now we have our first transsexual member of parliament, Georgina Bayer. Does this give you any inspiration to become the first transsexual elected member of Parliament for the Cook Islands?
Yes.
How would you go about achieving such goal?
I will be happy for that and I will be proud.
Ms. Kogaden, thank you very much and good evening.
Thank you.
Question for Ms. Tonga is, how come Tonga, such an island of beautiful people, has selected a sumo wrestler to compete in this pageant? Now in Tonga, koe hana whili ai toko taha sumo kene whakafofonai a Tonga. Koe whonua whakaofo anga ofa mo kakai tino lelei, o ku ika I keke mā,
O kua o fie he ki whaafafonga e. Ko e whanua anga lelei mo whaka o whakotonga. Ko au, o kua o iloa, hisi poki ko simo. Ko he honi, ko e sino lelei.
Your Samoan question in English now. How would you feel if people were talking and gossiping about you? Po le aso langona pe a fai e fai so tala e se isi, po se maafine, po se tamafoi. O ani fautuanga le lei foi e te fai e nei tangata pe a umalo wita.
E le ana se se o tala to e whaia iai. Na le pauranga la o tala e whaiai, o vai e te maua iai. Awa o whai atu ai fia whai mai, I ano tama to lea wa toso mai. Ai tu iai le puka ko pai.
Na vea I loa oe no kai.
Awa e loka lai awa te lama o si sau ai.
Ai le ai le fe ai.
O e te wama mai o e le pulele. O te no si te palele tu mai.
Ia whakatai lava, Miss
Ai.
Tonga. Is the World's AIDS Day. Hillary, as America's First Lady, is leading your country in promoting awareness of this deadly disease. How would you promote safe sex?
Well, very first of all, if you have sex, please use a condom. It's the safest way to go. And on top of that, if you have sex and have a good time, you're both live long and prosperous. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss USA. maso manatu i le whaasaina o le whangotaina o lau mei o iai nei i Samoa. And in English, Miss Samoa, your island paradise has recently put a total ban on hunting or fishing turtles, big and small. Do you agree with such ban? If yes, why? And if no, why not?
That would be a very negative situation for any country, because some countries, like my native country, we treasure those turtles, and it's violence against the animal to most people, but I believe I will be against that. And why? Because I'm a person that loves to see it, the turtles are friendly, and I just love animal myself.
It's
quite hard for is that do not understanding Samoa. It's quite hard to nurture those turtles, because I believe you have to watch the eggs and everything, and me being a female, I have to be careful with my eggs.
Thank you, Miss Samoa. Whakatai lava. Samoa's theme is symbolized in her attire for this section. Susana Maivano wears a purple crepe dress that is being divided into two pieces and held together by black mesh. The bodice piece is a strapless brown top, and the skirt has a full flare with a small train. Around her neck, Susana wears a choker decorated with shells. Miss Samoa's dress tells the story of crossing the sea. The black mesh from Samoa to bodice and choker to the great land of plenty, Aotearoa, the full-flared skirt and train.
Good evening.
You have been chosen by the family to be given a title, and it's a title name. Would you accept it, and why not? Why? In Samoan, wa tasi nei le whaamoemoe o le nuu, ma ua whiliwhilia oe e awea matau le le amatua. E te talia le nei tāu whitaua pe ai se a foi.
Thank you for the question. First, I'll answer it in English, my English speaking friends. To answer your question, if I was given a title, let's just say I'm a Thai title, that's what they call it in Samoa, I would appreciate it and accept it. Because I already think it's an honor to get a Thai title in this country. And Samoa, I will make a Thai title, yeah. And I'm a Thai title for female, my more, what it was to have.
Ai le whapalani nga, o le matai tau lea lea o ia o tō, a matai whawhine o mai a mātou. Thank you very much, Trinidad and Tobago.
Thank you.
personality goes to Miss Tonga. The next award is the national costume. The national costume goes to Miss Brazil. The next award is the swimwear. Swimwear goes to Miss United States of America. The next award is the talent, Miss Brazil. The next award is the evening wear, and please, that goes to Miss Brazil. Now, the second runner-up, and the prize is a return trip to Sydney, all paid for. That goes to contestant number, Miss United States of America. Our first runner-up, and the prize is an all-paid return trip to Melbourne. The first runner-up for tonight is Miss Samoa. And Miss Apia Way 1999-2000 goes to Miss Brazil. Congratulations, Miss Brazil. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it for tonight. Thank you very much. Whakataitapa le tau sosoan mai. Au le taimile nei, o le tau le atau walunga ina le tatou pō, le tatou tene tau maa. Whakatai.